Good morning, Madam Rosanita. We choose the topic for the FOC is Chapter 10, Electrochemistry. Electrochemistry is a branch of chemistry that deals with the interconversion of electric energy and chemical energy. Electrochemical process involve redox reaction, that is oxidation and reduction of species in solution. A redox reaction is a reaction where an electron is transferred from one substance to another. Redox reaction involve two reactions that are oxidation and reduction.
This is reduction reaction. Reduction is a process of gaining electrons. The substance which accepts the electron is called the oxidizing agent or oxidant. The oxidizing agent is always being reduced in a reaction. So for example, sodium ion receives 1 electrons to become sodium atoms, and magnesium ion receives 2 electrons to become magnesium atom.
So what is oxidation reaction? Oxidation describes the loss of electron. The substance which lose electron are known as the reducing agent. The reducing agent is always being oxidized. So for example, sodium atom will release an electron to become sodium ion, and magnesium will release 2 electrons to become magnesium ion.
We're gonna talk about the factors influence the product of electrolysis. We have 3 factors here. The first one is positions of ion in ECS, which is electrochemical series, and the second factor is concentration of ion in electrolyte, and the third one is type of electrode. Today we're gonna focus on position of ion in ECS. Okay, so what is ECS? ECS is electrochemical series. So this is the electrochemical series. This is the positive ions and here is the negative ions. The easier way to remember this is kalau nak kahwin mesti ada zakat fitrah supaya perkahwinan hang kekal abadi. And Fahmi sungguh nokti curi barang ayo. The electropositivity going up this ECS will increase, and electronegativity going up this is increase too. The position indicates which ion will be selected to discharge the ion.
So now I will further explain about the electroplating. So now let us look at this diagram. When the power is turned on, the positive charge will become the anode and the negative charge electrode will become the cathode. Silver nitrate solution contain Ag plus ions and the NO3 minus ions. Ag plus ion is attracted to anode and the NO3 minus ion is attracted to cathode. At anode, Ag atom will release electron, which is known as oxidation. The electron release will flow through the wire from anode to cathode. At cathode, Ag plus ion will gain electron, which is known as reduction. So the Ag atom will deposit on key. The silver electrode will become thinner. There is no change in solution content while the silver will release electron at anode and silver ion gain electron at cathode.
So there is no change in the content of the solution because the silver atom release electron at the anode and the silver ion gain electron at the cathode. So overall, this is the equation. The oxidation, silver atom release electron to form silver ion, and reduction, the silver ion gains electron to become silver atom. That's all for today. Thank you.
I have a key, I have a silver, silver key. I have a key, I have a silver, silver key. Keep a silver key.
When Jason's at the table, I kept on seeing him look at me while he's with that other girl. Do you think he was just doing that to make me jealous? Because he was totally texting me all night last night, and I don't know if it's a booty call or not. So, like, what do you think? Did you think that girl was pretty? How did that girl even get in here? Do you see her? She's so short, and that dress is so tacky. Who wears cheetah? It's not even summer. Why does the DJ keep on playing Summertime Sadness? After we get out of the bathroom, can we go smoke a cigarette? I really need one. But first, let me take a selfie.